Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the first time setup of your Nintendo Switch 2. So at first connect the Joy-Cons if you haven't done that yet. I'm gonna disconnect them, clicking on this button. And to connect it, simply attach it. It attaches automatically with a magnet. It's very simple. So do it for both the Joy-Cons on the sides, and then press on the power button, which is here at the top. If it doesn't turn on, then plug it into power. You can use either of the ports on the device, either the top or the bottom one. It doesn't really make any difference, so you don't need to worry about that. And you should see this screen at first. Select the language. I'm gonna select English US, then select the region as well. Now, once that's done, there is some important information that I highly recommend reading. Actually, it's quite short, so you don't need to read too much. I've already read it, so I can click on next. Now let's click on internet settings. You can skip the internet connection, but you'll still use internet on this device, so most probably, so I'm just gonna click on internet settings. Then it's searching for the networks, and I'm gonna select one of them, and then enter its password. Click on OK, and now it'll get connected. Once it does, click on OK, and then you'll see the next step, which is selecting the time zone. I'm gonna select mine. Then you can start a system transfer from your Nintendo Switch 1, and if you want to do it, there is a video on our channel on how to transfer data from Switch 1 to Switch 2, so you can watch that. In this video, I'm gonna focus on the option without a transfer. So I'm gonna click on Don't Transfer, then click on Next. Now there's a little tutorial on how to use the different play modes, like for example with the stand. With the stand you can just take the stand out like that. You can arrange it at a different angle depending on how you like it. Then click on I'm using the stand. And now detach the right Joy-Con. To do it, press on this button as I've shown you earlier, and you can see it comes right off. Do the same with the Joy-Con on the left, and now you can see, let's click on next. You can connect to a TV or select later. I'm gonna select later, and there is a video on our channel on how to connect it with TV, so you can watch that. Then you can also learn how to attach it to the hand strips or to the controller thing. I'm gonna skip that, and now click on OK and add a user. I'm gonna fold the stand now because I actually want everything to be visible, so let's click on next. Now create I already have an account, so have a Nintendo account, so it's gonna be very simple. You can also add a user account without signing into Nintendo, but without that you won't be able to use the Nintendo eShop, which means you'll need to log in anyway to download any apps or games. I'm gonna click on sign in, and then it will probably ask me to scan a QR code on my phone. Yes, so I'm gonna open the camera up, then hover the camera over the QR code and click on the link. If your phone doesn't scan it automatically with the camera app, then probably you can open the Google Lens, and in Google Lens you can scan it. Now I'm already signed into my Nintendo account on my phone, so I can just select this person and enter the verification code on my Nintendo 2. Let's click on OK. And now it's signed into my Nintendo account. Let's click on OK. Now the user is added to the system, click on OK. And you can add more users if you wish. I'm gonna skip that. Now you can set up the parental controls if you wish. I'm also gonna skip that. Then you also may insert the microSD Express card if you want, and only the Express cards will work. You can see them on the pictures. They have to say either Express or EX, and they will just expand your memory. So I'm gonna skip that as well, but you can insert it if you wish. And now press on the home button on the Joy-Con, and your Nintendo Switch 2 is just set up, and you can do whatever you'd like here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.